Hello traders, it's Yanis here and I would like to welcome you to our weekly Renko forecast. I have chosen some pairs that I think looks a little bit better than the other ones, and of course you already know that on the live room everything changes daily. We have a watch list that it's updated daily, but something that it's worth looking is are the following pairs. On USD yen, we have already some pending orders to go long. Price has already broken my resistance area, has already retraced, and with our filters we have already of course put some pending orders with an APO of like 40 pips going for 400 or even more. So I would say keep a close eye on USD yen. As always, and like I said, we check all these pairs daily, and whenever we find an opportunity, we take a trade live. Now, if we go on USDCAD, you will see that we have a really nice combination. Price was going short, not anymore. Again, a really powerful combination has applied. Price has given us an opportunity, and for us the only thing missing is a retracement. M24, M12, I don't mind. Well, actually I would prefer an M24. With this kind of retracement, which is always better than an M12, I will be able to go for at least 400 pips. Again, what is necessary here is one of the best strategies, like I always say almost daily on the live room: patience. On EURUSD, as you can see here, my line, we are waiting for a retracement. Price has reacted here on this resistance area. I will have to go on higher settings so you can see what kind of area this is. This is a huge 1, 2, 3 to go short. I wouldn't like the price to create a reaction with a higher low, but it's not like price reacted like it did twice here, so it looks promising. My 36 EMA here is breaking, and after I get the retracement, again I will be able to go for 330 pips. I have my crossovers, everything is looking good so far, going short. Euro USD, more or less same approach. We have a trend continuation. We are waiting for another retracement. Through our top-down approach, of course, we have already identified next potential support area, 280 pips. That doesn't mean that we will close everything on our support area. Remember our incremental profit strategy. We never close manually our last position. Also, as you can see here, I have three pairs: Euro Yen, Euro Aussie, Euro USD. That doesn't also mean that we will trade all of them. We will trade the one that looks much more better, meaning nicer retracement, volatility, more room to cover, meaning more pips, meaning more money. So Euro USD going short. AUDCAD looks promising. Smooth movement, lower highs, lower lows, sequential 1 to 3s, and also plenty of room to cover. I mean, till our next target, this is like more than 650 pips. Again, price has spiked a little bit. I'm okay with that, no problem. I will monitor that every day on our live room, and when the time is right, we can take the trade altogether. Last one is New Zealand dollar CHF, and actually here the position we already have is a bounce. Is a bounce long, and you will see why. On my higher settings I already have a reaction. I have a major trendline break. All filters are met. I know price, not because I have the gift, but I read the history. Price tends to break 36 EMA range, spike a little bit like it did here. And on my M48, actually my 36 EMA hasn't broken. So once more, kind of aggressive here as a pending order. That's like again 30 pips going for 250. Yet to be seen how that looks. When the week starts, we will see what kind of volatility we will get or not. Thank you very, very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again Monday morning with our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody. Cheers.